how to fix Google keeps stopping on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can fix if the Google apps keep stopping on your Android phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you're trying to open up Play Store, or maybe you're trying to open up Google Chrome, or maybe you're just trying to open up Google, but then it simply doesn't get open and then it says that Google keeps stopping. Why is this happening in the first place? It's happening due to your corrupted data. To fix this, first of all, go to settings. Then you have to go to the option called apps. Then once you go to apps, just look for Google apps over here. So if you're having issue with Chrome, tap on Chrome, then go to the option called storage, clear cache, tap on manage storage, and also try to clear the data. Now after this, what you can do is just come back and then also look for the application called Google, or maybe search as Google Play Store. So let me go to it, and then you can see Google. Tap on Google, do the same thing as I did, just go to storage, clear cache, manage storage, and then also tap and clear all data, and then click on OK button. Then once you've done, just come back again, and then you want to look for Google Play Services. Go to Google Play Services, go to storage, clear cache, manage storage, and then also make sure to clear all data. It will log you out of your Google account, so keep that in mind. Then after that, if you're having issue with Play Store, just come back, look for Google Play Store, tap on it, tap on the option called storage, clear cache, and tap on clear data, and now you can just try to go ahead and then open these apps. Now if it doesn't help, then just try to open up your Play Store. You have to update all of these applications, whichever has an update. So tap on your Google profile icon from the top right, and then go to my apps and games, and then over here you simply want to go to updates, and then it is actually going to check which of the applications has an update available. So basically after it detects which applications needs an update, just tap on the update all button, and there could also be some of the Google applications in the process. Last but not the least, you want to simply open up settings and then just go to the option called software update. Check if your device has an update. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these solutions may have helped solve the problem. If it did help solve the problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.